picked this up from the Action, and I really wanted to do it on my nose, and I also want to remove my mustache. It's coming. It's not that much, but I can see it now. I've been wanting to do it last night, but I was so tired. I just took a shower and went to bed. So last night I did exfoliate my face. So today I don't need to go in with another exfoliator. What I'm doing now is using rose water and lavender mixed together just to remove any excess oil on this surface. Okay, let's do that. Okay, everything is dry. Take this one. I'm just coming from work. I'm really tired. I want to relax. But if I don't do this, I know at night I wouldn't have the strength to do this. Okay, now everything is done. It's smooth, no hair anymore. When you see it, you think, oh, it's nothing. When you open it, see the hair? So I'm just gonna clean it. Take this mask. Take simple gold. Do I have scissors here? Ja, ik heb een schaar. Ik heb een schaar in de douche. Okay. So I'd like to take this towel. I'm gonna soak it with hot water. When I say hot water, it's like to put this on my nose. I've plucked my eyebrow because I don't really do makeup when I'm working or when I'm just doing my things. When I'm going out, I like to do makeup. So I pluck my eyebrow, and I sometimes do tint it. I also use this eyebrow tint. And I clean my mustache. I do my facials at home. And like that really helps me to stay put together, you know. So it makes my self-care very easy, because I don't have to be like, oh, I'm ready to go out now, I have to do my eyebrow. I make sure I try to fix my eyebrows and other things during the week. Sometimes I take a Sunday off and I do all of those things on Sunday, but I feel like, yeah, Sunday is my resting day. And now I just, after work, if I have time, before I go lie down and start pressing my phone, I'll just do something. Just allow it to dry properly before peeling it out. It's gonna be painful, but beauty causes pain. It smells awful. It has this minty smell and it burns my eyes. While I'm waiting for the nose peel to dry, I decided to do a hot oil treatment. My hair is actually due for relaxer, but I'm just trying to stretch it out a bit. So I thought, you know what, before I relax my hair, let me do some hot oil treatment. I'm using this brush I normally use for the kids' hair whenever I'm washing the kids' hair. I love using this brush to massage the scalp, to clean the scalp properly. Since my hair is short now, I love using this brush on my hair whenever I want to do a hot oil treatment, or when I feel like just massaging my scalp to allow blood circulation. I love this brush. I just love it. So I'm going to massage it for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to wrap my hair in a plastic bag, and then I'm going to sit under a dryer for 30 minutes or 35 minutes, and then later on when I'm ready to take shower, I will just wash my hair. Maybe a couple of days from now, I'm going to relax my hair. But yeah, this is what I do to stay ready at all times.
I was dozing off. That's how tired I was. So now it has dried. It's time to remove it. This is so thick. Ooh, if you see crazy face expression, please excuse more. Don't judge, don't laugh, because it is beauty cause pain. Okay. Oh, my eyes is staring. Oh, I'm crying. Oh, poor Ami. Ami's crying. Oh. Every time I do this thing, I swear I'm crying. My nose is so sensitive. Every time I do this shit, I'm crying. I don't know, I'm crying. Oh my God. Oh, God. Oh, yo, I don't know. You guys cannot see it, but the shade that came out. Every time I do my nose, I'm crying. I'm literally always crying because it doesn't matter how often I do this thing, my eyes just start watering. It's just crazy. But it's good doing this. At least I know for the next 2 to 3 weeks, my skin is good. If I want to go out, I don't need to do any of these things. I can just wash my face, do my makeup, and get out of the house. But I actually wanted to do this Jogobe face scrub because I wanted to leave it in before I take shower, because dinner time is past. It's almost bedtime. I try to go to bed as early as I can. I try to at least get an 8-hour sleep. Like it's must that I get an 8-hour sleep. Oh, it feels so good. It's about time to take shower. I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, like that really go in for bedtime routine than morning daytime routine. Is different. At night I'm ready to wash out all the sweat, the dirt, just clean everything and just looking fresh, feeling fresh. It's almost bedtime, so I'm about to take shower anytime from now. I'm about to take shower anytime from now. So let me just leave this in. It has this minty thing, so it's kind of like make my eyes a little bit watery because of the mint. But you know what? It is what it is. I love self-care. Like if I would have saved all the money I use on self-care, I would have built a house in my village. I would have built a house in my village, but no. Don't forget the neck. When I don't want to put it because when it dries, the things start coming out. But when I'm ready to take shower, I'll bring it down to my neck as well. I like to cover the entire eyebrow. Only my eyes. You see. So I'm looking. Am I looking cute? Do I look cute? Okay. I'm gonna leave it in for 20 minutes. I love this. I also pick up their night cinema, if I'm not mispronouncing the name. I love that one, but when it's finished, I was like, okay. I love the face mask, face scrub / face. I love this one more. So yeah. So guys, this is it. Now I'm just gonna leave this one to process, and then very soon is bedtime, and then I'll just take shower, body scrub, body oil, moisturize, pamper the skin, and then go to bed. So yeah, hope you all like it, and see you all in my next video. Take good care of yourself, okay? Regardless of whatever is going on in your life, take good care of yourself, because this body is the only vessel you have to carry you along. So life is going to life is going to come with its ups and downs. Cry a bit, eat a bit, sleep a bit, and take care of yourself. Because life is always going to life, but don't ever make life you. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Peace out.